So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log into StumbleGuys through Facebook. So the first thing you want to do is go to stumbleguys.com/play, and you can do that by clicking the button on the StumbleGuys website. Through there you will need to log in. Now there's a few ways that you can log into your account, and I'll just show you through the settings. If you click on the settings in the top right corner, you can see save your progress, language, server region, in-game notifications, and so on. So if you click on this first tab, you can see log in, log out. So if you wish to use your Facebook to log in, you just need to click on that. And on here, you will see a pop-up for logging into Facebook. So if you want to create your account on Facebook and then log in, so you can have a couple of different accounts that are linked to StumbleGuys, you can do that as well. But you just need to type in either your email or phone number in the upper tab, and then in the lower tab, just type out your password for Facebook account, and you'll be logged in to StumbleGuys, or rather, your ScoPlay account will be linked with your Facebook account, and then you can use the StumbleGuys app through there. So some of your Facebook information will be linked, so make sure that you checked out what that privacy information is, so you don't do something that you haven't agreed to, and just link it through this login option right here, so you can even log out on the email option as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on StumbleGuys or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.